Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will need to find the lowest common multiple of these three numbers 20, 24 and 70. I will share with you two different methods. The first one will be the prime factorization method where we will express 20, 24 and 70 as their prime factors. And from here, I would then choose looking at each prime factor, I will choose the one that has the highest power. So this will ensure that we would be able to have all the factors for all three numbers in the lowest common multiple. So I will then choose 2 power 3, 3 and nothing. I would choose the 3. 5 and 5, both is the same, so doesn't matter. And 7 and nothing. 7 is the highest power. And therefore, the final answer for this would then be 840. Done. Alright. So for the other method, which we call it the successive division, short division method, we are going to divide by the common prime factor first. 2. That will give me 10, 12 and 35. And at this stage here, we are going to divide by the common factor of any two of the numbers. I repeat, we are going to divide by the prime factor of any two if there is. So in this case here, I am going to look at 10 and 12. And I realize I can still divide by 2. That will give me 5 and 6. I do not divide by 2 for 35 because I can't. And at this stage here, there is a common factor between 5 and 35. So I'm going to divide by the prime factor. The 6 still remains down there. This one will be divided by 7. And I stop here because there is no more common prime factors among the three numbers. Okay? And for this method, we will then have the following. It will be 2 times 2 times 5 times 6 times 7. Yep, it will still give me back my 840. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.